Hello everyone, my name is Bhavani Sankar, a student of CSE AML KIET. Today I'm excited to present my chatbot project NeoMind, developed as a part of KHub Junior Developer Intern 2025-2026 task. Yeah, this is my GitHub repository containing all the source code, front end, back end, and documentation. I have also included a README with setup instructions and deployment details. The project is fully deployed live at this link. See here I'm using render to deploy my project through Git. Here this is the live link of our project NeoMind. This is the NeoMind, a general purpose chatbot powered by the Gemini 2.5 Flash API. It is designed to be simple, initiative, and responsive across all devices. Users can input any questions, and the chatbot can respond intelligently using Google Generative AI. The chat UI supports Markdown, copy to clipboard, and even shows typing animation for a human touch. See, now you can ask a question. What is Python in 5 lines? See, here our response showed in the left side. Yeah, here is the response occurred by the bot. Here we implement this typing animation and the bold text by using JavaScript. And let me ask you another sample questions also. What is Flask? Here you can also start a new chat session, rename a conversation, or delete the old ones. The sidebar is the mobile friendly and easy collapsible. Here is we can use the new chat option. It can refresh the chat interface, and we can saw the old chats over here. We can rename the chat as well from here now. We can store our chats in the local DB using the local database of your device. You can rename it. Here you can start the new conversation as well from here. Here we go. Yeah, this is how bot responds from by using the Gemini 2.5 Flash API on the backend. Here I'm using Flask for the backend, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end, and integrated Gemini API. All the chat history is stored in the local storage here by using the JSON format. Making this lightweight and secure setup, I used environment variables to manage the API key securely during the deployment. I'm using .env environment variable and deploy the paste my API key here there and call on through Flask. I didn't create any secret key over there to protect lively, but I used direct environment variable. And due to this, I use gitignore to protect my environment variables, and I use directly in the deployment on the render. This project also includes the requirements.exe, proper documentation, and deployment instructions. Here is the readme one. Deployment instructions. You can close it, send your own API key in .env and run locally on the render. I want to thank to my KHub, my mentors, and also AI tools like ChatGPT, which guided me in the learning. Building this is not an end. I am planning to add the multimodal support and voice input to the project. Like here we are using the Gemini API only, but we can use the OpenAI API as well, and Claude, and the open source models like Mistral 7B and Hugging Interface. We can integrate those APIs as well here to support the multimodal in the future scope. Thank you for watching. I am Bhavani Shankar, and this is my This was my NeoMind AI chatbot submission. Let's keep this building the future. Thank you.